It's that time again. It's officially time to get our duck-a-day on board our family cruise on the Norwegian Encore. Are we gonna go get a duck before we go to dinner? We are, so we're gonna bring you guys along with us to go get Livy's duck today. All right, here we are in the local, or in the arcade connected to the local, where we have the duck machine. Oh, Livy, what's inside of there? That right there? Okay. Oh, first try! A ducky! Yay, Livy! Show everyone your duck. She wants my key card. Oh, you want to do it again? Press it! Catch it! I think we're growing less amused with the game and more with the card. There you go. She puts it in her mouth. It's a success, so we'll see. There you go. Yay! Success! Happy Duck-a-Day. We'll see you tomorrow.